Heavy thunderstorms are predicted for the Salmon-Challis National Forest starting Sunday, and rain and wind can rapidly change the conditions on the ground. Less than a month ago, more than a half inch of rain caused these mudslides around North Fork in the Salmon-Challis National Forest. Photos from the Forest Service showed multiple slides. The mudslides forced the Forest Service to close Salmon River Road and Panther Creek Road for about 24 hours, leaving some travelers stranded overnight. So to prepare for Sunday's rain, the Forest Service recommends to visitors that you be prepared to stay a little longer than expected. They recommend to be equipped with extra food, clothing, fuel, tools, and a reliable form of communication. The thunderstorms are expected to remain in the area through Monday night.
Oh, we're kind of in a dry break in between portions of wet weather. We had all the flash flooding that went through yesterday afternoon. We're mostly clear of those showers here for today. We have about 1 or 2 thunderstorms, mainly in East Idaho, out this afternoon. But most of us are enjoying nice sunshine before we get plenty more chances for wet weather working back in to this weekend. Jackson out right now. We had one of those showers work through about an hour ago, but right now sunshine has been brought in nicely. 76 degrees. It has been very windy outside. The winds out of the south that's sustained at 25 miles an hour. We've had those wind gusts rocking as high as 45 to 50 miles an hour today. Viper, see most of the showers out in the Yellowstone quickly fading away farther north and east. So we mainly just have this little batch that's left across areas of southeast Idaho that mainly just went off to the south side of Pocatello, went through Ingham. Ingham is now clearing of this wet weather, and this is mainly pushing farther eastward into the more rural parts of Bannock County, just off to the east side of McCammon, heading towards Bancroft, and could be heading towards Soda Springs further on this afternoon and evening. Besides that, that's pretty much the rest of the showers tonight. We're not expecting the formation of many more showers in for the nighttime ahead. But look at these winds, 15 to 25 mile an hour, sustained winds pretty much everywhere across the region. In fact, we do actually have a wind advisory that's in effect until late tonight for the upper Snake for Blaine. 90 in Idaho Falls, 76 for Jackson. It's 84 in Salmon. Lows tonight are down into the 60s and 50s with stray chances of rain into our local mountains before everybody picks on plenty more wet weather in for this weekend. We got the weekend forecast up next in Maine weather, but for now, let's toss back over to Todd.